well, $5. $5! I'm so excited to wear these with my wide leg jeans and like a little trench coat, peasant skirt that's in my last vlog. Oh my god, sorry, my boobs are out. Really, Jesus. Got so excited, my tits went out. Hello dear friends, welcome back to HellaJam. Today I'm going to show you a few things that I found from my recent thrift haul. I just dropped my first time at Ecothrift. If you hear a baby, that's my child just playing over here. Mom life, I have to put him right here or else he's gonna scream bloody murder. And I have shit to do, I got things to do, and I'm still gonna live my life. So, if you hear deep breathing, panting, crying, anything, that's my child that I love so much. I recently went to Ecothrift in Sacramento. I can leave the card up here. I was so impressed by everything that I found at the Ecothrift in Sacramento that I decided to check out the one in Hayward, which is even closer to me. It's only 20 minutes away. I was kind of in a rut and I said, you know what, it's gonna make me feel better, thrifting. Whenever I go to a new thrift store, I'm like a little bit skeptical because it's really hard for me to get in the groove. I don't know where to go yet. Like, it's a little bit overwhelming, but I found some good things. And now it's not a lot of things, but they're really good staple items that I scored, and I want to share more thrift hauls. So if you want to see what I found, keep watching. So I'm at my first ever Ecothrift in Hayward, and I'm not really inspired by anything, which sucks. I was looking for like a holiday area, but there's really not much. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit overwhelmed and very tired. Look how cute this hat is. $2.19. Definitely not in season, but I know I'm gonna really want it when it's sunny out, so swoop. Look at how amazing these are. They're 8.5 though, not my size. Such a bummer. Oh my god. Look at these vintage 9 West boots. $5, folks. $5. What? These are $5? I actually like this color more, but these are $30. Right now I'm looking for a sport jacket that Stefano and I both can wear. Ooh. I especially love the leather detail here as well as the cargo. Sorry, the cargo pockets. So I'm really trying to lower on the knickknacks, but look at how cute this is, as well as these little dinosaur planters. Shoot, oh, a giraffe? Oh man. Oh, this is like a hippo that you just put in there. Wow. First things first, how cute is this hat? It reminds me of that 90s show Blossom where she used to only wear hats, which is actually why I started collecting hats to begin with. So, so, so cute. I love the fact that it's not like the normal like trendy brim that's really in right now, like the fedoras. It actually scoops up, and look how cute it is. It's in great condition. Let's hope I don't get lice because I haven't Lysoled this yet. But I'm really excited to add some like fresh baby's breath or any type of flower to really kind of make it a little bit cuter. Also, if you're wondering where I got this robe, it's from Kim and Ono, and I feel fabulous. Happy holidays, happy holidays, happy holidays. Oh shit, can't let my tits out. Okay, I love going to the men's section and the outerwear section and looking for either oversized jackets for Stefano or myself. And I was really looking for a type of, I don't know what it's called. First found this, which is very dirty. My favorite part about it is the fact that it has these cargo pockets. Can't go wrong with a ton of pockets. And like there are 2 pockets. We've got one right here and then a bigger one over here. I think this would look cute with any type of outfit, really. I love throwing on oversized jackets with everything to kind of give my girly look a little bit more of an androgynous look, or just full on just look frumpy. I'm all about looking frumpy. And I was really pumped about this, but then I found another one that was very similar. It's a little bit more, it's a little bit classier. It's vintage Gap for $12. Only difference is it has a olive darker collar, and it looks like a proper sports jacket. So it has these really, really nice pockets here, these nice tortoise buttons as well. basically texted Stefano. I said, which one do you want? And he chose this one. And then I went to the register. I was like, all right, well, I'm not gonna get this anymore. And she's like, oh, well, this is only 50% off. So it's basically only $4. And I was like, one for me, one for Stefano. This is the moneymaker. Are you excited? This is essentially the only reason why I wanted to do this thrift haul. I've been looking for some new brown square-toed boots, and I found these. Look at that heel. Look at the toes. I'ma feel like a fancy bitch. This was only $4. Well, $5. $5. I'm so excited to wear these with my wide leg jeans and like a little trench coat. I am so excited. And this is gonna even look hotter with like a pencil skirt, any type of skirt, peasant skirt that's in my last vlog. Oh my God, sorry, my boobs are out. Really, Jesus. Got so excited, my tits went out. I'm really excited to wear this with that like denim peasant skirt in my last video. And then wear like some type of chunky knit over it. I've been really looking for some type of lighter brown boots, and I'm so happy I found these for like $5. So really excited to style this and show you guys how I style it. That's pretty much it with this thrift haul. I know it's super short, but I figure instead of me doing these huge thrift hauls where I accumulate things over time because I thrift so often, why not just do shorter videos for you guys and just get it out there so I can share the love with you. And to maybe inspire you guys to, you know, thrift more. And also if you see a trend and you really want to get it from Zara or this place or, you know, whatever fast fashion company, you could totally thrift it. Fashion's repeating itself, people, and you can 100% score really good deals and not have to contribute to global warming. If you guys haven't yet, go on ahead and subscribe. I'd love for you to join the HellaJam family. I'm gonna get more thrift hauls out to you guys sooner. And can we give a round of applause for my son? He's being good. He's being a good boy. And thank you so much, my child, for letting me do mommy things, such as put on this beautiful robe and show you my thrift haul. Oh, it's time. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Peace.